Hey guys, today levek ule kan chena la kan lo lom le cheu USA in sakdan kan shet phak ve chin china abul tan te tangin kan ron tianga kan ron tilang turanga ila amaro chu zona min ron zo tek chona chan chu in sa e zong kan ni bik lo wang khanin chan ngai na viok cheu ka helawa ka hriat chin tok che tu ni ron tilang dona phur ta kamin hlir sak turin ka som chewani chonin ge ni po hai pathian zara kan kal tluang chho ve zela kanau te in noi kan lo om na a kan in hi kan lo lut ve thei tep to a ai kan ngak lel to tak zet ani an thlir ho don ne USA in sakdan ole na china kan soi tak an khanin hei hi a foundation le basement turan lak khani a chuanin khami fel to nu chuan thing an din tir ma sabera achung lama an bang an pinga chuanin pon lama paper hian bel le a in chung hi an han khoi le ma sate te a hei hi a step by step an tho dan ni amaro chu heng thing vel an tung lai vel hi chon achunga ve en hi safety lo wang hian en min phal en an phal lem lowa chuan in chung lampang anti fel to nu kha chon en kan du e kan tia min an en tir ve a hei ti chuan hemi kan en ni hi ani han soi chia tur chu ka hre chia to lo na amaro chu hei pon lama alan dan len zo dan ang chin chin chu ni a chuan in hei garage atang hianin kan han lu chhotana achunga heng wire vel te anda ve tan to amaro chu an la ala zo fel chia lo a
Have you any showings at your house? This week will be plumbing. What I would do is once this is all done, like the plumbing, electrical, and ductwork, I want you to come back and take pictures. That way you know where you can hang stuff up at.
Oh, okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Because when it's all covered with drywall.
Chuan hei helaya kan muang hian hei electric rivel te hi hei bang chunga khanin thing chungan kher kuat hianin an thun lut langa chachu kan video masala ma khanin USA in sa changkang na chu engkim mai an khu bo vek zel hi kha india hi an khu bo dan chu ani mel ani hi a rivel te electric ri te a tui pai vel te po kha ti hian alang lo chin khanin an han tuam bo an han da vek masa chuanin cd lam khanin an thil ti dan hi fel fai to kem ti kha an ron check le a kamino a cd lampoina approve an mai rui kaldan velte an pipe kaldan velte po engkim mai adika chunjoma thei to e ti nu che khanin an han ping le dona chuchon malak dan thin ani melani so this is upstairs 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 oh the water chunga lon chin ro le 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6
Should be 7 up, 7 down.
So this will be the master room.
Walk-in closet.
The closet.
Bathroom.
A closet and then a bathroom and you don't okay. So this is the kids' bathroom. This area will be the kids' bathroom, right?
Bathroom's back here.
Yep. Yeah, and the one of the kids' room. Yeah. One of the kids' room. Oopsie. In time. John hei hi atum ni kan ve en vele na ni a ta chuanin grass concrete alo in wa fel fai to a ti chuan hei maro chu bung ro chu la nok na samaya chuan chau kalama po hei mai hrui kal dan tu neu neu te po ama kan en ai kha chuanin alo phui sui na sa to a maro chu a thok tu ten la om ve la da wang hian la nok tak chu ni a nok nuai mai hei hi chauka stove le microwave om na turte fridge om na turte le pantry om na turte chhovel ka ni a pon lama khia thok tu te pon lo om ve meka dian hei mai hrui kaldan velte hei hi ni a chuanin hei hetia hemi mai hrui le tui pai vel hi cd na an test to nuwa an ron endik to nu engkim mai a tha an ti to nu chuanin insulation hi bang chunga hianin an siam vele chu mi nu chuan in chung lama khan drywall amoin an khar vele a ka khan ti dan thin chu nia amaro chu insulation an ti lai hi chu kenia ven chi ani che alo wang khan kan en talowa hei hi akal vele zel dan ani chu in chunga kan en chawanga khi achunga alaya thil in rin kal phai de te thoki electric hrui vekani a nei electric hrui chu tiang hianin abangan ping ma khanin an lo ti fel sa vek thin to zok ani melani
An pinga
Hay sing tu ni dentro.
batok palo baton.
Eklim tenam tadi.
Turkhani a. Pai pati.
Ayo ni jadi kum. Dek.
Pai besta. Chơi. Batok tu, ini aircon, tulung bom, sampam tu apa? Ini baik. Ini laundry room, tomsuk na.
Anu loka karni khat vela kan ven vele chon ki kan mong khian achung lam in chung khi a roof khi an lo ani dan tur che in an lo siam zo man to a hei akar le pekar le kan bakal le na chuan abang po khi pon lam bang po an lo tom moi vek to chung lam insulation po kha an siam fel no siam fel der to khani a hemi nuwa akar ni nu vela kan han en le chu kan video masa USA in saklai en hawang o ti kha khalai video wa om dan che khani vele ta ni ti chonin a next level le chu hemi video wa kalau ti lan dalang khanin achung chu la zo fel lo ma se tiang khanin an han khu bo tan to a he hi rong noya ti chun jam fe chu alangai ve thawa hemi step hi ni le a hemi zo a step dang om vele chu a in an zo fel nu khanin walk through kan ti ngai kha hani to ta chu walk through chu guys chibai ule hei when hi kan in thar ma koma when hi ma ka rakhen kan closing to dona pathian zara kal tong zel chonin tun hi kanau te na kan om deu chara chonin when hi nge kan ti don ti chonin final walk through kan ti in lo lu ma khanin eng he om dan chonin eng ti ani nge I ti kha asatu te nen lam atanga in clarify na kan nei don ani tun hi paber kan hak meka paber lo thleng chonin an mani lama ti min betu turi a chunga in chunga min ngak to kan palo thleng chon kan lu tanga final walk through kan ti don ani ngale lam to khap mai stay tuned kan non update zel don ya
You're over warranty, okay? And I'll go through how to submit warranty requests. Heat and air, so Busmus did all your HVAC, so your furnace, air conditioning. If it's 120 degrees outside, it actually doesn't really matter. If it's hot outside, it's summer, and your air conditioning breaks, that to me is an emergency. Okay?
Yeah, it is.
Yep. What I will say about your air conditioning, so you will probably be getting an email or a call either from us or from Busmus in the spring for them to come here and fire up your AC. Okay, because your AC was installed when it was cold, so they didn't get it fired up all the way. But they have a whole list of all the houses where the ACs were set in the winter, and they're going to call you and say, that's how they did it last year. They actually sent emails and said, hey, can we come and fire up your AC? Okay.
So spring means like around what time to be exact?
It just depends on the temperature. I think it has to be above 50 or 60 degrees for them to fire the ACs. Okay.
Is that something that they will do each year? Or
so they just need to do it one time. They just need to do it one time. Yep. So if spring comes along, you turn your air conditioning on and it doesn't work, that's because Busmus needs to come here and fire it up. Okay, they should have you on the list. This sink, whether the trap or the garbage disposal is leaking underneath, just like a small drip. Inconvenient, but not necessarily an emergency. Put a cup underneath it, use a different sink for a little bit, put in a warranty request, and Busmus will come take care of it. Okay. So basically, we kind of just want you to understand the difference between an emergency and non-emergency. And I think, you'll understand. So, Kinsler, the warranty process with Whirlpool, the easiest thing to do is to call factory direct, tell them what's going on, and then they will contact Whirlpool and they will have all your warranty information. So they'll work out that side of it, and then factory direct will just send someone to come fix your issue. Okay, if it's a warranty item, right? So.
Ako ta ni thing kung an phun mi kha eng thing kung ngan so chin te thing kung na lo deu te ni.
I'm pretty sure it is a maple tree. Maple. I'm 99% sure it's a maple tree.
Okay, acha. Oh, anak. Anak.
Color in the fall, right?
Okay.
Yeah, it's yeah.
Okay.
So yes, I just need, it doesn't matter who, I just need a signature here saying that you understand that we don't cover sod under warranty.
He kan work through na he pa hen enge min shil teu ti chuanin ani hi construction lama ho tu nia kan in chu mi call ani chuanin chu aircon ani chuan chu encall tu nia emergency ni chuan chu phone nga aircon hit ani chuan chu mi chu wo tui lampang ani chuan chu electric ani chuan chu nia nga warranty tu chu submit dan tu chu ti kha ti ani ting vel kha kan hriat ngai ho kha min han thril fia Aadhaar card an rai tek khopa heng min thril fia to hnu hian in chung kan han fang kwa langa.
Helai mấy bạn pakati em về lâu ngay on lâu. Anh cái mấy tiếng kia mà. Mấy chật xe mô anh mà đi thang tuần này, các chú mà sẽ tụi nó rồi khăn emergency này lâu ta mô, nghe đã com tour riêng à khăn này thế lắm.
Good. Okay. So it's walking up the road, so I'll do my best to.
Basement is sang vật lồng thì có cái tiền lỗ
À hey. Basement chục chục nữa mà.
What's that?
I made you put all of this.
Yes.
I'm just kidding.
I'm glad we got it.
Yeah.
Đây là anh thật véo
We're
gì
gonna start over here at your sump pump. Okay.
Okay.
So have you had a sump pump before?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. So basically, some of this might be information you know, but all I have to go through to some degrees. It's my job. So.
Hei ve thung hi in noi lama sampam te furnace te water heater te kha eng te encall tur nge ti vel kha min han shelfia vele papa bok ani.
Okay. So easiest thing to do is use the remote. Rocks is change color your rocks. Fire.
Okay.
Squiggly line button is the heat.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you hit that, that's like push level 1. If you hit again, that's push level 2. So sometimes it takes a couple seconds to get going. So it's only going to come out of this one right here. You're going to hear another click. Once you hear that other click, it's going to get hot.
Okay.
There you go. So now you can feel it. Now it's on.
Yeah.
Okay. To turn off, you can turn off, or to turn the whole thing on, press the power button. Okay. This mantle or floating shelf, whatever you want to call it, this is more for just pictures and knickknacks and stuff. It's pretty strong, but you don't want to put your TV here. Okay. If you want your TV on this facing this direction, you want to mount it.
Okay.
So you have a stud here.
So those are strong enough to hold a big TV. Even we decide to put it.
You have a stud here and a stud here.
Okay.
And we're supposed to tell you 65 inches or less, but I've seen people do 70, 75. If you have the correct mount, and as long as you're hitting your studs, you should be good to go.
Okay.
Just don't put it here, and don't put it in front of the fireplace.
No TV at all in this area.
Okay.
With me.
Turn the switch.
okay.
There's your garbage disposal. Dishwasher and all your other appliances have all been tested and installed.
So I got nung kan tip pon chen joy time shilo.
So this is it vent out, right?
What is this, 10236? Did you do it? If you didn't ask for it specifically, then no.
I asked for the vent out.
Oh, yeah, it does. We'll go look at it. I remember now. There's a vent on the outside. Yep.
Cái làm xong được không?
I'm trying to open the back side.
3 different ways you can use this. Manually with your key, right? Or this. If you take this off, there's directions on how to set a code.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Super easy. Press this button, type in your code, press lock.
Okay.
Third way is for Safe Haven to come here and get you set up to where you can use your phone to lock it.
Okay.
Okay? How much time do we have? Just curious.
I have to leave by 20 minutes.
Okay. Garage. Not a whole lot to see. There's definitely some stuff to see. Garage door buttons right here. One opens the main car, one opens the third car. Main thing I need to show you here is your electrical panel. So this is your breaker box, okay? Your electrical panel. I'm just gonna write ARC to remind you that ARC did your electric. This. Any questions about garage?
Yeah, we do have a door, right?
Transmitters, yep, you'll have transmitters. Your keypad, so you're going to want on the day you close or shortly after, you're going to want to set your own keypad, okay? And there's directions here on how to do it. Okay, if you have problems with it, let me know.
Alright.
We're just going to take a quick look around the house. Okay.
Sounds good.
Not a whole lot to see. So your gutters can go up like this if you're mowing the lawn or something, right? But you always, in normal situations, you want to leave them down like this, okay? Because you want the water to flow away from your house, right? Another thing you can see that your lawn or your lot is not just flat like this. It grades down. That's the water flows away from your house this way, towards the back, and out the swale away from your house. It's all graded according to code, so water does not get in your house. Okay? These are your furnace flues right here. These are your furnace flues, so this is the exhaust for your furnace. So always make sure that these are free of ice, snow, debris, grass, anything that may impede air coming in or out. Always make sure that it's not blocking, that there's nothing blocking it, okay?
So are these all supposed to be like that?
Yeah, they're a little separated. I mean, it is going dormant, it is dry, it is not summer, so you're going to have a little bit of separation on your side.
Tihanin walk through tana. Moi nai kopian min han shil koala ni pon lama poni se hei aircon bom puyani nachina himi anunga aluzona pipe ron chwaki furnace thlilum ron chwa cook chwana ni ki ice ten an lo ping pal hlawang ati ang rang chi te a maintain dan tur engkim mai chonin kan anim te po hini se an la dar hlim ema wang khanin e an la nung an nun da hi du thula sam chi alawa khwa voli tuk ma thleng chu ti hanin tui kan la perenga Anti hamara chukan closing felve lai khanin ke mani ko ta om to turani atiang thleng khanin mihan rila nim enkol dan turte thingkung phun thai angreng chi te poni se chuanin pal kan komchar lam te hi pal te han ping du don ta se pal ping thai dan thleng khanin thianin fel fai li tuk tak le chiang kwang li tuk tak mai hianin mi han shil kwal ra kani tihan an napui berani boka soitur te poya hreseng aka kham moding garing dar kar thum chuang ti hani mi han shil kwal ta tak khania hei hi in chunga freshly laklu theina ni a amaro chu thlasi khowoli tuklai chuanin hona chi viau lawang ti thleng te khanin mi han shil chove kani
zule ngama barbecue thei na turin zule thingkung te kam pundon mi ti theira khep e pulo thurha.
There's your settling area right there, which we're going to take care of, okay? So, like I said, I can't guarantee that it's going to happen before close. I can't guarantee that it's going to happen before spring. Anything that's outdoor related, can't control it. Got a price on this, got it sent in. We're going to do everything we can to fix it before close. Regardless of when it happens, we are going to fix it, okay?
Hello,
And you have another outdoor outlet right there.
Okay.
So we can go over that paperwork.
Yep, good.
Okay, we can go over that paperwork and then we'll make a checklist.
Oh, hey, James. We had a question for you here.
James, she has one question.
Or
Oh, this is what we call a pop out. So this is your gutter that goes down under, and then water goes through here. So if we just put it right here, then water would just get right there, and that's way too close to your house. So we need to go out this way. So, yep.